Hi guys, happy Independence Day to everyone. I'm currently making this video not anything related to Independence Day, but just giving you small information about the importance of riding here. As yesterday, I myself met with an accident, and apparently there was no mistake of mine. Just an old man riding a scooter. He just popped into the main road from one of the crossroads. So what he did was, instead of using the extreme leftmost lane, he used the rightmost lane. He just came to my lane, and I was helpless. I didn't want to crash into him, so I had to jam my brakes. I ended up skating and falling on the road. So one thing is, yes, I have some kind of bad wounds here, everything. I'll just attach the pics later, you can see it. But then what saved me yesterday was the small helmet. You can see the impact of the fall. Hope you can hear it right. It's a deep scratch. So apparently if there was no helmet on my head, situation could have been worsened. So just a basic helmet could save me yesterday. And I did have my gloves in my bag, but I was careless and I didn't use it. So that's kind of my mistake. So what I'm trying to basically tell is, yes, we people do invest on riding, yes, we do everything. I myself have a jacket, a riding boots and everything, but on a day-to-day basis we feel like it's not that much required. For a daily commute you feel like it's too much because you end up sweating inside the jacket. It's a heavy jacket. The jacket weighs about 5 kgs or something, and my boots weigh about another 4 or 5 odd kgs. So it's just my carelessness that has brought me to this situation today. You can see this wound too. My hand is kind of swollen, so, but it was still a safe fall, I can say. Guys, I'm just trying to tell you that please be careful, because riding gear is very important. You never know what's gonna happen the next minute when you're on a motorcycle. At just the blink of an eye, I ended up in this situation. So even though there's no mistake of mine, that's the point I'm trying to clear it out again. You may be fine, you may be a good rider, but people around, you have to be careful. That too in India, a place where you can just get a driving license if you have money. That's enough. So guys, for everyone, this is just a kind advice. If you're into daily commutes within any of the cities, not necessarily Bangalore, any of the cities or wherever it is, where you have quite a bit of traffic and you have to face a lot of people, right? Make sure you have your basic riding essential gears like your helmet and gloves. I know jacket is not easy to wear every day. A riding jacket, it's not possible for you to carry it everywhere you go, but then you can get some other form of a jacket. Even I was wearing a, what do you call it, a windproof jacket. The jacket tore at this part, and this was the only damage I got. So it was still a safe fall. Whatever you have on your body, it'll actually save you a bit. So please make sure that you wear good riding gears, and please guys, spend on quality helmets. This is not a very great quality or something. I bought this helmet back in 2015 December something. Even before I got my first bike, I got this helmet. It's still working fine for me. That time I just paid this about 3000 rupees or something. Now obviously prices are on the higher side, but it's definitely worth it. And for your footwear, make sure you at least use a decent quality shoe. Any good shoe can actually protect you to some extent when you compare it to normal slippers or loafers or whatever it is, right? It can actually save your legs. Not necessary that you have to wear riding boots everywhere, but because boots are really heavy and it's not easy to carry them around. So any shoes gonna do some good. So that's the whole topic about. So I'll just attach the pictures of my wounds, what I ended up with, just because of my carelessness, right? You can just see it and you can decide for yourself if you really have to wear your helmet and ride, or you just have to remove your helmet and show off to people that you're riding so bike.